Pinoy Bex.
Welcome to Pinoy Bex. Ang next example natin na involve yung ating concept ng Venn diagram ay mula sa ECE board November 1992. Okay, ang problem ay the probability for the ECE board examinees from a certain school to pass the subject of mathematics is 3/7, and for the subject of communication is 5/7. If none of the examinees fail both subjects, and there are 4 examinees who pass both subjects, so we need to find the number of examinees from that school who took the examination. Yung first step natin, since ang hinahanap natin yung number of examinees o the total number of examinees, since ang hinahanap natin is yung total number of examinees, for our first step, let x is equivalent to the number of examinees who took the examination. And again, for the second step, so we need to draw a circle. Circle 1, circle 2 overlapping each other. For the first circle, so it represents let's represent the first circle, mathematics format. And the second circle represent communication. Okay? And mapapansin natin na itong examples na to ay different dun sa naunang tatlong example natin. Kasi doon, ang hinahanap natin yung value nung nasa gitna kung saan nag-overlap. Okay. Mapapansin natin na kakaiba itong example natin ngayon kumpara doon sa naunang tatlong examples natin. Kasi doon sa mga nauna, ang hinahanap natin ay yung value kung saan nag-overlap yung dalawang circle. So, dito, given yung value kung saan nag-overlap yung ating circle. At ito ay 4. Ayan. Ito yung number kung saan nakapasa yung ating examinees ng math saka communication. Both pass math and communication. Itirang space dito sa ating math circle. Ito yung mga estudyante na nakapasa sa math subject. Base sa ating probability, meron tayong 3/7. So, therefore, 3/7 of x of the total, so minus 4. And dito naman sa ating kanan ng communication, di ba? Circle, yung space natin dito para to doon sa mga nakapasa naman ng communication subject. So, ang probability natin is 5/7. 5/7. 5/7 of the whole of the total examinees minus 4. Again, lilinawin ko lang, ito yung mga estudyante na nakapasa ng mathematics subject. Ito yung estudyante na nakapasa both mathematics and communication. At ito yung mga estudyante naman na nakapasa ng communication subject. Kompleto na yung ating Venn diagram. So, papunta na tayo doon sa third step. Yun ay paggawa ng ating equation. So, base sa ating Venn diagram, ang equations natin, so, since ang hinahanap natin ay total number of the examinees ay equal sila. Okay. Dito, sa una, the quantity 3/7 x minus 4, so plus yung estudyante, so 4 plus the quantity yung mga nakapasa ng communication subject. 5/7 of x minus 4. Ayan. So, ito yung ating simplifying x. is equal 3 over 7 plus 5 over 7. So we have 8 over 7 x. So negative 4, positive 4, negative 4, so negative 4. So therefore, simplifying again, so we have x is equivalent to 8x minus 28 over 7. 7x is equivalent to 8x minus 28. So x is equivalent to 28. So this is the total number of examinees. Okay, finalize lang natin yung ating sagot. There are 28 examinees. Who took the examination. Alright, that's all. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and examples regarding this topic. So, thank you. Pinoy Bix.